Hi, fourthies. Welcome to our math lesson for the day. Let's be sure we're on page 99. So I'll write down here, page 99. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you were able to watch the language video if you haven't done so yet. Page 99. Alrighty, measures of time. Let's review some of these. We know that a minute is 60 seconds. We also know that an hour is 60 minutes. One day is 24 hours. 1 week is 7 days. You know, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, yeah. 1 year is about 52 weeks. 1 year is also 365 days. Okay, that's a lot of days. One leap year, which happened this year in 2020, is 366 days. 1 year equals 12 months, and I'm going to go over them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 1 decade is 10 years. Mason is a decade years old. Cool. And Natalie will turn a decade years old. 1 score is 20 years. Now, when you read the Bible, especially in the Old Testament, they use score a lot. They'll say something like, so and so, he is 5 score years old. So that's like 5 times 20, which is 100. Yeah, people back then lived to be 100 years old. People today can still live to be 100 years old. 1 century is 100 years. Some people, yeah, like I said, get to live to be a century. 1 millennium is 1,000 years. No, people can't live to be a millennium. So make sure that you know these. It's important to know these because, you know, for the future. Let's go ahead and fill out the whole of number one. You can use the book if you need to. Pause the video if you want, and then unpause it so we can review the answers. We can share the answers. Unpause? Okay, so you did all of number one. 1 year equals 365 days. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 year equals 52 weeks. If you put about 52, that's fine. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 decade equals 10 years. Mason turned a decade back in September. 1 century is 100 years. 1 leap year is 366 days. And 1 millennium is 1,000 years. Now let's do number two. Number two says write the pairs of factors. When it says pairs of factors, we need to write the parents, the mom and the dad. Okay, this is the product. So we always start with 1 times. So let's do that. Let's fill in just 1 times for each of them. It looks like 1x. All right, so 1 times. And then for the first line, we can just put that product. 1 times 10 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 12 is 12. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. Ooh, we're done with this one. Boom. Okay, so remember, you can pause. Now let's do more factors, pairs of factors. Whenever it says pairs of factors, we have to have the mom and a dad. So for 10, we have to do, what's another thing? Something times something equals 10. I'm going to try 2. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. Now I can't do 3 times something or 4 times something. I can do 5 times something, but that's the same thing as this. And if we do that, we'd just be going in circles, so that's not necessary. So you don't have to do 5 times 2 because it's going to be redundant and we're just go in circles. So that's pointless. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Now again, you don't have to do 3 times 2 because it just be going in circles, and we don't want to do that. Let me rewrite it. 2 times 2. Do you notice how I'm doing 2? Yeah. 2 times what? 6. Very good. Now here, the next line, I'm going to put 3. Notice how I'm going in order from biggest to smallest. I did 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 3 times 4 is 12. Do I have to put 4 times 3 for this one? No. Again, that would be redundant. That would be repeating myself, and I don't need to do that. So here, 9. I'll do 2. 2 times 2, 4, 6. 2 times nothing. So I can't put 2. For the first time, we're not going to put 2. Let's try 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now 8. 2 times 4. Okay. All right, we're good. We're good. Now for seat work, you're going to do number 3, and we'll go over it if you have any questions during our class time. Okay, so seat work is 3 seat work. Now let's go to the back. Okay, go to the back with me, because I'm going to review what else you have to do for seat work. You have to do number 4 for seat work, number 5, number 6. All right, now let's do number 7 together. Okay, again, write the pairs, factor pairs, or pairs of factors, which are the parents, the mom and the dad. So for here, I'm going to start with 1 times again. 1 times. Okay, that's what you should do in the beginning. Very simple. And then we fill in with the products. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 12 is 12. 1 times 10 is 10. Very good. Now we do the second line. 2. We did 1. Now we're going to go down to 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Very good. Here, 2 times 2 is 4. Here, 2 times 4 is 8. Right? Yeah, good. Now here, 2 times 6 is 12. I can put 3 now. 3 times 4. Very good. And here, 2 times 5. Now, for number 8, it relates to number 7. So I'm going to write the factors as a list. I don't have to write the pairs anymore. I don't need to write as mom and dad. I need to write the factors as a list. So for 6, this corresponds to 6. So I'll put 1 because I start at 1, 2, 3, and 6. Remember how I said it makes like a happy face? Right? We go down and then up. So that's like a happy face. We did 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So for 4, I make that happy face again. 1, 2, and 4. I don't need to put 2 twice because it's already there. For 8, with that happy face again. 1, 2, 4, 8. I'm starting from the smallest and ending at the biggest number. Ooh, 12 has a lot. So I do the happy face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And then here, short happy face. 1, 2, 5, and 10. So I'm just listing the factors there. Okay, fourth graders. I almost called you third graders. I'm sorry. All right, fourthies. All right. So let's go over what you should do for seat work. And again, if you have any questions, I'll try my best to answer them during the lesson time. I am going to check. No, I don't have to check work, do I? Because last week you should have taken a test. Yes. So if you didn't do the test on Jupiter yet, please do so. But for seat work today, seat work, please do page 99, number 3, and then page 100, number 4, 5, and 6. That's your seat work for today. I'll answer any questions at our meeting. Thank you very much for listening, and have a good day.